How to delete Alibaba account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open Play Store on your device. Now on the search box, you want to search for Alibaba. Now, if you have not installed this application on your device, you want to tap on the install button and then the download is going to be started. After the download has been completed, it is automatically going to be installed on your device. Then tap on the open button. Now from here, you first want to sign into your account. Once you have signed into your account, and if you want to delete your account for some reason, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on My Alibaba option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This should open up your settings. Now you're going to find the option of delete account. Tap on that option. Over here on this page, it says once you deactivate account, your account information will no longer be accessible. Your information on Alibaba.com will be permanently deleted and you cannot undo the action. Your data on Alibaba.com will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to issue refunds. And the next thing to remember is you will lose access to member benefits, coupons, voucher and reward points will be expired. So if you agree with all of this and want to continue to delete your account, tap on the delete account option. Now on this page, you have different options. You want to select the one that says delete account. Tap on the view option. Before deleting the account, Alibaba will evaluate the status of your account. So if you conform to all of this, you simply want to click on this delete account option. Then Alibaba will review your deletion request, and if there is no issue, your account will be deleted. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.